Hello my gems, and today I'm going to show you a very simple but very effective skincare routine that I majorly followed in last month. That is which month is this? Which month? Yeah, this is, oh my god, May. So which I basically followed in the month of April. And I decided to go for a simple routine because from the beginning of this year I have been testing out lot of new products, lot of new serums. So I was like, let me take a step back from all these complicated routine or from testing out so many new products, and I went back to very simple routine. The picture that you are seeing, like before and after, I got this result I guess in almost 3 weeks or something, and honestly I was not even expecting, because that seeing the difference in this acne mark, that was not my goal. My goal was to take a step back from complicated skincare routine and stick to something basic.
My skin type is dry, sensitive and acne prone, and first I will be sharing the night routine. At night I always start with my favorite double cleansing duo, and double cleansing helps in reducing the breakouts. It brightens the skin, pores appear smaller, products that you use after cleansing perform better, and of course it helps in removing the makeup and sunscreen effectively. I am using the Banila Co Clean It Zero. This is my favorite cleansing balm. I apply some on my dry skin with my dry hand, massage it for a few seconds, and then I add a little water to emulsify it, and again massage for a few seconds and rinse it off. And then I follow up with my favorite gel cleanser, which is the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This cleanser helps in reducing the breakout and is the best option for acne prone skin. But just in case, if you have extremely dried out skin or dehydrated skin or damaged skin, avoid this cleanser. And then weekly once I do use the Minimalist Lactic Acid. This is the chemical exfoliator, and this has been working really well for my dry skin. After this I follow up with the Belif Witch Hazel Toner. This is a milky toner. The consistency is very similar to the Innisfree Bija Sika Skin, but slightly less viscous than the I'm From Rice toner. And I have been using it for both morning and night routine, and even though it contains some fragrance, alcohol and witch hazel in it, it has never ever dried out or irritate my skin. I love this toner. And then I use the Cosrx Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence.
So this nail mucin is something that can be used with everything out there. You can use it with all kind of active based serum. You can use it with all kind of moisturizers and toner, and also you can use it around your eyes, on your face and neck. Like a really wonderful product. And mine, this bottle is empty and I already have a backup of this. I bought it last month itself, and because this is something that I need to have in my skincare routine. This keeps my skin overall healthy, and most importantly it slowly also helps in fading the acne marks. And in this entire routine, this is definitely that one product that has majorly helped in fading this acne mark over here. Like the acne which I got over here, it was not any tiny one or anything. It was quite big cystic acne. It didn't surface much, but whenever I touched at this spot, there was a giant knot kind of thing over here. I was already prepared that this is definitely going to take some time to go away, and I need to maintain my patience with it. And as of now, it is still there, it's not completely gone, but it's not that noticeable as well.
And next I use the Equal Licorice pH Balancing Intensive Eye Cream.
Now this is the eye cream that I have used, I think, for more than a month, and I don't see any kind of difference around my eye area. Let's see if in case it works any wonder later on. So whenever you are using an eye cream, make sure that you apply it all over eyes, like under your eyes and over your eyes, literally around your eyes.
And then I follow up with the Belif Aqua Balm.
This moisturizer again surprisingly turned out so good even on my dry skin. And I feel that this Belif Aqua Balm is something that can be used by all skin types during the summertime. It has a very unique formulation and it's famous for a good reason. This is definitely one of the best gel cream kind of product I have used, because in general the gel cream sort of moisturizer are not moisturizing enough for my skin even during the summertime, but this is working so well for me.
And then I layer another moisturizer, and it is the Purito Centella Unscented Recovery Cream. And before we proceed further, I quickly want to explain the word PR in my video. It means that no money is involved and the product was sent to me to share my unbiased experience after trying it out for some weeks or months.
So you don't have to use two moisturizer like I am doing over here, but my skin leans to like dry to very dry side, and also I wanted to see like whether this Purito Centella creams works on this acne marks or not. This is other reason like why I was trying it out. After this nail mucin essence, the Purito Centella cream is second product that has definitely helped in lightening these acne marks. So if you need like a very gentle but effective products to fade your acne marks, these two are something I highly recommend. But also I want to put up that don't expect quick and overnight result. I had to use them for nearly a month consistently, day and night, to see a noticeable difference on my skin. And yeah, so be patient with your skincare product to see some good results. And then I end my night routine with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask.
And now I will share my morning skincare routine. It is slightly different than my night routine. In the morning, I prefer to use the simple facial wash, and then I follow up with the Believe Witch Hazel Toner. And after this, I layer my favorite Cosrx Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. And after this, I use the Equal Licorice pH Balancing Eye Cream. And of course, I do use the Purito Centella Unscented Recovery Cream. And don't forget to use a sunscreen in the morning routine. And lately, I have been loving this Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. This is a 100% chemical sunscreen, and I really love this. Like, even though I have so many sunscreen at home, I have been only reaching out for this sunscreen. I love this because it feels lightweight yet moisturizing and hydrating on skin and does not leave any white cast. Highly recommend this. And that's all for today's video, and bye. Okay, wait, I just forgot to talk about this. Like, all the products that I've shared in today's video are linked in the description box below, so definitely check it out. And now finally I'll say my goodbye.